In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed procedure on this Volvo S60. Let's get into it. Take a clean rag, wipe the cap off. Take off the cap. And I'm going to use a fluid transfer pump and extract as much dirty brake fluid as possible. All right, that's a good amount. And you can see on the cap, you're going to use .4 brake fluid for this vehicle. So using the correct brake fluid, top it off. Up to the max line. And put the cap on. Now with an assistant in the vehicle helping out, we're going to bleed the brakes starting with the left front caliper, then the right front, then you're going to go to the left rear caliper, and then the right rear caliper. Now with the vehicle raised and supported, you take all four wheels off, and we're starting with the left front caliper. Take the bleeder cap off the bleeder screw using a 11mm wrench, and I'm just going to put a hose over. You can just use a drain bucket if you don't have one. And then I'm having the assistant go ahead and pump the pedal 3 times slow, and then hold it. Open the bleeder screw. You can see the fluid, a little bit of air bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Open it again. A little bit of bubbles. Close it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. Open the bleeder. A little bit of bubbles. We'll do it one more time. Close it. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. There we go. That looks good. Close that up. Pull the hose off. You can snug that down. Put the cap on. Now we'll just clean this off with a little brake parts cleaner. And then you're going to do the same procedure on the right front wheel. So using the correct brake fluid, top it off. Up to the max line. And put the cap on. Now on the left rear caliper, take the cap off the bleeder. Put the wrench, 11mm wrench, and the brake hose. Now go ahead and pump the brake pedal. And hold it. Not too many bubbles. Good. Go ahead, pump it. Hold it. Looks good. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. That's good. Close that up. Take the hose off. Make sure the bleeder screw is snug. Use a little brake parts cleaner, clean that up. Put the cap on. Then you're going to move over to the right rear brake caliper, and it's going to be the same procedure, and then you should be done. If the pedal still feels spongy or your fluid is extremely dirty, you can repeat the same procedure from the beginning. And we'll top it off. You want to fill it up to the max line. Right about where that seam is, on the side you can see where there's a keyway that shows the max line. Take the cap and screw it back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.